Okay, we are back third day with the new Neo, the second Neo, Neo number 2. Now, this is the road that I normally fly at. The road goes right down there towards the beach. I've stopped a little bit earlier because there's a cool location here. Again, lots of rubbish being dumped, unfortunately. But I think it used to be old four-wheel drive tracks. They go right over in that direction. Basically, there's a big tree I can stand under, and I haven't explored this area. So let's have a look, see what we can see while upgrading our manual skills. Okay, recording, throttle down, manual, motors starting, up and away. Okay, let's get our bearings. Let's see where we are. Okay, so four-wheel drive track, tree, me, the camera, my car. So we normally fly on this road there. So that road is where I normally fly, but we are here today, a little bit further down. Now you can see by the angle and how much my drone just like that then, that there is quite a bit of wind today if I go high. But let's keep it low. Let's have a fly around, see what we can see. So they've blocked this off because I think they're going to eventually start building here from four-wheel drivers. But if you was a four-wheel drive, let's go for a ride and see what we would see. Whee! Unfortunately, look, lots of people dumping stuff. Well, I do not want to put this in a bush. Okay, don't want to go too far. Okay, the tracks just keep going. Now, like I said, there is lots of kangaroo poo around, but as yet, no kangaroo sightings on the drone. I have seen some down this road, but unfortunately I didn't have the drone out at the time. So that's the goal, kangaroo sighting. Lots of rubbish, mattresses, old settees. Okay, let's fly through some little gaps. Hard to see the small twigs. Power lines or something over there, so we'll stay well away from there. I want to find somewhere where it's going to be cool to learn some, I think it's S-turns, when you fly in one direction and then turn and dive down and turn back in the opposite direction. I don't suppose you can really learn that here. So I think it would be like that. Is that an S-turn? Let me know. I might be completely wrong. We are 4 minutes and we're still on 0 crash, which is pretty impressive for me. Hidden dangers, I think that said. Do not come down here. That's when they closed it off for the four-wheel drives, I think. Oh, look at this. This is nice. As long as I don't crash. A cool little loop. Well, there's another line going off down there. We'll have a explore down there, shall we? Okay, where was that? Here. It's down here. Slowly, Paul, slowly. We've got a bit of break up. Oh, it's a bit more overgrown down there. This is so much fun. I don't know if it's that exciting to watch for you guys, but let me know if you want me to try anything in particular or any advice. Oh, hey, oh, I didn't see that. Okay, we've had a knock. I think it was okay though. Survived that. I'm not sure what I hit. I didn't see anything. Let's have a look through here again. Don't know. Yeah, that gap's a bit tight. Still haven't got the flips down properly yet. Still get a little bit out of control where my bearings go after I do them, but that's not too bad. Just don't want to get stuck in that tree. Yeah, that's not so good. Still a little bit left in it, but now I've got 4 batteries. That was the other bonus of the initial one. I got the Fly More package where I got the triple batteries with the charger, but because I got the extra drone now, I got the extra battery as well. So I've got 4 batteries for this drone, which is easily plenty enough because I've just got like 9 or 10 minutes out of that one. So that would be 40 minutes with these type of conditions. I wasn't hitting it that hard though. It would reduce down to like 7 minutes, I'm guessing, if I flew it a little bit harder or if it's windier. Okay, I'm just going to stop the video there now. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Let me know if you have any requests. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.